Tonight, for the first time, the lawyers for 6 cyclists who were hit by a teenage driver in Waller County are talking about this case. They're told our Lauren Tallarico what they want to happen next. Lauren?
So that driver was never charged or ticketed, and that's what's gotten the attention of people nationwide.
We are conducting our own civil investigation into what happened.
Charlie Thomas is one of the lawyers with Bike Law, representing the 6 cyclists hit in Waller County back on September 25th. They were training for Ironman Texas when witnesses say a teenage driver rolling coal on the cyclists hit them, sending all to the hospital, 2 by helicopter.
At the outset, we were alarmed that the driver was not issued even a citation.
The teen driver stayed on scene. His lawyer, Rick DeToto, said he called 911 and tried to render aid and was eventually let go by police. But Thomas says none of the victims were interviewed that day.
It set off concerns on our end as to the adequacy and the accuracy of any investigation that happened at the scene.
Waller police are still investigating and did not offer any additional comment this week. The district attorney has opened its own investigation and has assigned a special prosecutor. Thomas says the cyclists suffered traumatic brain injuries, broken bones, and other injuries. As far as what justice looks like for the cyclists, Thomas says that depends on what both his civil investigation and the DA's criminal investigation uncovers. Meanwhile, Joe Catrufo with Bike Houston says this is a case all drivers should take note of.
A situation in which somebody driving a 7,000-pound Ford F-250 into 6 people ought to be an inflection point. It ought to be a teachable moment. You are wielding an incredibly deadly weapon, and you need to act accordingly.
I'm Lauren Tallarico, KHOU 11 News.